I think all of us have one of those pieces in our home that is just rough. Maybe it's been outside, maybe it's been in the garage, maybe it was passed down from generation to generation, but this bench is getting a makeover. So let's get started and sit back and enjoy the rain. I am fully relaxed from the rain sounds and the ASMR, and this piece is ready to go. I will say it is not completely sanded down. I knew that I was going to be painting this piece and staining this piece, so I did not do a full sanding. I just did a scuff sanding, and this gets off a lot of the rough parts and just prepares the piece for taking on the paint. If you scuff sand a piece, it will hold the paint a lot better and there will be less chipping and no peeling. I'm going to be starting with painting first, so I am taping off the areas that are going to be stained so that the paint does not get on those areas. By the way, I love this brown paper roll. I use it almost daily. It has come in so handy for everything. We even sometimes use it for like full table charcuterie boards for our friends coming over. This paint is deep blue from Beyond Paint, and it is one of my favorite paints. I am loving the royal blue color, but what I love even more is the coverage. Look at that. That is one coat of paint, and it is covering so much. I am rolling any areas that I can roll first, and then I will go back with a smaller brush, a artist brush, to get into those small areas that need a little bit more detail. Now, I know that this wood does not look perfect after the paint, but guess what? It looks 100% better than it already did. So I'm not replacing the wood because this is a beginner tutorial, but it still looks so much better. She's not impressed, but that's okay. Sometimes I feel like I work in a zoo, and she's definitely not impressed either. Okay, up next is definitely a fail. I was putting on the sealant and it got a little bit crazy. I put too much in my roller and it splashed onto the wood. I'll show you later. Yeah, look at all that. I'll show you later how I sanded it and stained over it, but yeah, just be careful with the sealant. I finished some painting of the details on the back, and then I got started getting ready to stain. I had this old t-shirt, so I chopped it up into pieces, and I'm using this cotton shirt to apply my Danish oil stain. It was 50% off, even though it looks like a disaster. But what I do love about Danish oil is that it is a stain and sealant in one, and it has just a gorgeous coloring. There are other colors besides the dark walnut that I used, but this one is definitely one of my favorites. And now let's get the interior. All right, y'all, I am so excited with how this is looking. The colors are beautiful together. It is going to be a dramatic difference. Let's clean up and remember that before. I am absolutely in love with how this piece turned out. We took a piece that was ragged and rough and left for nothing and really made it a piece that you can be proud of. I'm so excited, much more excited than the puppy dog. As always, thank you for being here with the Furniture Flippers Guide. I will see you next time.